Good morning, Hong Kong, and welcome to the opening ceremony of
First of all, we're very excited to be here to join the SIGGRAPH Asia in person. We get an awesome opportunity to talk with expert researchers and institution professionals to really impart the ideas on the computer graphic, computer visions, what the industry has been working on. I think the most important is that to really inspire the next generation to shape the future of AI. Energy that's around here, you can see people like work on the groundbreaking technologies, both on computer graphic and computer visions and AR, XR across gaming and the video production industry. I think we really got to learn a lot, and we're looking forward to meet with more professionals during the next couple of days.
It's been fantastic. And so really enjoyed, great to see a good crowd. And also I always like to see a lot of young faces. It's great to see the next generation showing up.
What really stood out to me for this SIGGRAPH Asia was I felt the audience was very, very engaged, and they were very interested. They were very curious and forward-looking in terms of technologies. Very, very high quality content. There's no doubt about it. It's really worth going to. And I also really like the mix of, art along with the technical side. So it's sort of like a balance between sort of the artistic community as well as the technical community. So everything fantastic.
It was a wonderful thing. I had folks from New Zealand and folks from Hong Kong and China and Europe all coming up to chat. And that's kind of why these events are important, is because we meet each other and we get to learn about each other, and then we also find opportunities.
It's been fantastic to be here in Hong Kong. I love Hong Kong, and SIGGRAPH has done a really good job of putting in a great show for us at Vicon to have a really great crowd here. So really pleased. Get on and get into SIGGRAPH Asia. Malaysia next year, eh? Come to Malaysia.
I would say you're missing out. You should definitely attend. There's a lot of energy around innovation and technology. Go to SIGGRAPH Asia.
Come and join us to weave the future at the SIGGRAPH Asia 2026 in Kuala Lumpur.